up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So obviously I'm on the back of the screen today, but I just want to let you guys know I will be posting this today. This is the CASALUNA jersey sheet set. These are 20% off right now at Target. However, there's a glitch in the system that gives you an additional 20% off if you buy them online and store pickup. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But first I'm going to go wash these and then I'll pop back on with my phone and show you what coupon you need to add in the Target app to get all the discounts. All right, I'll be back. All right, so this is what the color looks like. It's a lot more like orangey in the video. But so this is going to be the jersey. Oh my God, it's so orange in the video. It's more like sienna terracotta color. So these are super nice. They're really stretchy, super easy to clean. And I like the color contrast with the wood. And then this is the hemp comforter or duvet, I'm sorry, from West Elm. We got it at the West Elm outlet. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above. But I got it for $100 instead of $300. The only thing though is it kind of wrinkles a lot, but you know, it's fine. It's not a big deal. But yeah, I'm just redoing our bedroom right now, obviously in phases because everything's expensive as hell. But yeah, I have like a mini pillow. Ricky's got all the king pillows. So I just did a white pillow underneath and then I put the jersey one on top. Again, really comfy material. So yeah, now I'll show you how to do the little app thing on your phone to get them for $44, $45. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you how to use your Target phone, whatever, to get the CASALUNA sheets. So first I'm going to go in and I've already looked at it a million times. So I'm just going to touch my CASALUNA jersey sheets. Okay, so once you find the sheets that you like, you're just going to scroll down. Pick the sheets that you like, whatever size. I'm gonna go king size. I wanna get the natural color. Cool, you're gonna see 5175. Okay, there's another offer right here. You need to make sure you click that. That's 20% off bedding in-store and online. Perfect, and then you can ship it. Go to your cart, and you will see that the discount applied. So you basically are getting 40% off. So it's 20% off already the 25% off price. So you get 20% off the $51.75, which will do $10.35. So you're end up paying $44.82, which is freaking awesome. But for me, I want to pick it up. So I'm going to kind of scroll back, maybe even go back. Let's go back real quick. So I'm gonna actually just cancel that real quick. So if you're gonna pick it up in store, press it again. King, natural color, scroll down. I've already added it. Let's change our store, Oceanside. I know it's in stock because I was just there. And I will drive it to the car. And then I would pay $45.82. So yeah, that's how you're gonna get an additional 20% off the already reduced 25% off price. So you're gonna save, I think it's $27. I think I got a little info. Did I get it? Yeah, so Target sent me. You saved $27.60 today. You've done this before, haven't you? Yeah, because I'm an extreme couponer. All right, hopefully you can see that. Hopefully you guys can go tonight and get some sheets. All right, guys, again, it's 5:58. Hopefully I'll have this video up in an hour. Order your damn sheets. All right, guys, later. Oh, sorry, this is vlog day number 12, and I'll see you in my next video.